how to post subscription in a month in your Netflix account. So okay guys, using your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, use your browser or any browser. Okay, go to this and search for netflix.com. Here in netflix.com, okay, tap the profile you use on the upper right side and tap the account button. Here in account and overview section, okay, tap the overview on the upper menu. And here in membership details section, okay, you can see here the manage membership. Okay, you can tap the manage membership and the manage membership. So below you can see the cancel membership. Okay, you can tap this. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to post for a month your Netflix account. So you can see here this option. So post for a month. So keep your profile and preferences. So you can tap this and you can see here the post lets you keep your profile and preferences. You can still browse and unpost anytime. So okay, you can tap the post for a month to post your subscription for 1 month. Okay, you can tap this and okay, you have successfully post your membership on your Netflix account. So your membership will post in days. So you can still watch until your post starts. Unpost anytime when one click. So you can see the details of post start date and post end date. So your billing will automatically resume with your usual plan price when you post end. Okay, so after that, tap the done button to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, so if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.